Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Jihan Assyifa Fatihah, student from Indonesia University of Education. I'm going to present our research about analysis of student science process skills during COVID-19 pandemic. The background on this research based on regulation of the Ministry of Education of Indonesia that the competency standard for elementary and secondary education graduates cover up aspects of aptitude, knowledge, and skills to develop a better understanding of scientific concepts. Learning chemistry does not override the process of finding the concept. Therefore, students need to have skills that can help in understanding theory, namely science process skills. Science process skills is defined as the adaptation of skills used by scientists to construct knowledge, think about problems, and make conclusions. The developed science process skills can help students be active in finding concepts and have a positive effect of science learning. Also can develop other skills. These skills are more suitable to be applied through practical activities, but as we know during COVID-19, practicum is very difficult to get out. It is also supported by Ministry of Education data that 55% of senior high school still lack laboratory facilities. Therefore, it is possible that student science process skills will decrease. So it is necessary to conduct this research that aims to analyze the science process skills. For the method, the quantitative descriptive method was used in this study. The subjects are 28 students in one of senior high school in Bandung Barat City, Persiapa. 20 multiple choice questions were used in this study. Also, the questions already cover basic and integrated science process skills and free from content. The research showed that the average score of student science process skill is 74 out of 100. There are 8 students who have perfect score and 10 students have scores below the average. These results indicate that most students will need to improve their science process skills. As presented in chart 1, that the percentage of students formulating hypotheses and planning experiment were the lowest, while their predicting skills showed the high score. This is also in line with the result of the previous research, which is before COVID-19, that observation and predicting skills are easier than the other skills. Science process skills indicator number 1 until 8 included in basic science process skills, which is in a high category, while the 2 smallest indicators are included in the integrated science process skills. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, several previous studies also obtained similar results, show that student science process skills on several indicators were in low category, and also show that the percentage of student basic process skills was higher than the integrated process skills. This research was strengthened by the result of interview with participant chemistry teacher, which state that during the pandemic, the learning process was mostly carried out remotely. And although it was carried out in hybrid way, learning was using the lecture method. Experiments in the laboratory are almost never carried out. In previous research, it was also found that lecture did not teach the students strategies to assist in developing good process skills. This may be the cause of the lack of science process skills that students have on several indicators. During the COVID-19, several studies also found that can improve process skills, such as inquiry, project-based learning, and self-project-based learning. The finding of this study imply that in learning science, especially chemistry, it is necessary to pay special attention to design of certain learning strategies because this can directly affect their soft skills. And for the conclusion, the student science process skills were in a low category on the indicator classifying and designing experiment, and the medium category on the associating and identifying variables, and the others were in a high category. And the result of this analysis showed that both before and after COVID-19, student science process skills did not develop optimally through learning carried out using traditional lecture method. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.